Okay, in this video, I'm going to, as quickly as I possibly can, find the information about these properties, and I haven't done anything preloaded. In the last video, we found all these properties. Let's go to one of them now. We'll start at the top. We found all these properties, but we didn't get any more information on that besides that. We knew that they were worth looking at. We looked through the photos. We said, yeah, there's something here. Now what we want to do is get the property lines of this and then just get it kind of queued up. We can just look at some basic statistics, some climate data, and we'll mostly just use Google Earth. We'll only do climate data. We won't really need to. You can do that later, but what I want to show you here is how I'm going to queue all this up so that you can just batch out huge amounts of properties and make really educated decisions as quick as possible. So we got this property here in Salem, Missouri. We saved the link, the real estate link. So let's pull that up, and we're going to try to find the property boundary for it. That's going to be our first objective. So we know it's 25 acres. And what I'll do here is share my screens like this, split my screen so we can use Google Earth. And let's let this load. And while that's waiting to load, I'm going to take an educated guess on what I think the property line of this is based on the obvious square that's popping right out at us. And if that's 25 acres, boom, guaranteed that's the property line. So let's call that 25 acres Salem MO. And then what I'll do here as well is I'll go Shift Command N, and I'll make another folder for this here. And then I'll drag that in there, and then I'll get rid of this, and I'll bring Salem up, because things always save to your temporary places. So let's grab Salem and dump it in that folder. And so now we've found that place. Let's create, so these are properties to view. So now we want to get properties into where we're going to grade them. And so what I suggest you do is take it and dump it in that folder. And it's not going to be filed A, B, or C yet. It's going to be above there. So we're going to take a closer look at it later, but we got everything we need right now. So now we got our property line. That's it. I'm done.